Honorable Councillor representing the good people of Ward 7 Jesse, Ethiopia's local government area of Delta State, Honorable Omadeyi Temienor Ufuoma, has bagged an award of recognition for his service to humanity by the Rotary Club of Oghara, District 9141, during the official installation of the club's 9th president, Chief Frederick Ayekpegha, in Oghara, Delta State. It was a day of merriment as Rotary Honorable Temienor, whose track record of empowerment and service to humanity was rewarded by the humanitarian body. The ceremony was well attended by top Rotary personalities from District 9141, including prominent Rotarian, the Ovie of Oghara Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Uku Oghara Name Orefe III, Ethiopia's local government chairman Honorable Pastor Nelson Oganedoro Owoso, Chief Emmanuel Igomena, just to mention a few. The ceremony featured the official installation of Rotarian Chief Frederick Ayekpegha and awards to deserving Rotarians, which also included Rotarian Honorable Temienor.
I am handing this over to you in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and the Holy Spirit. To be the best, #1.
On behalf of the President and members of Rotary Club of Oghara, I want to present this award to you this day in recognition for your outstanding service to the community development and humanity. With this award, is to tell you thank you, and to appreciate you for all that you have been doing for your community and humanity. And we implore you that you continue what you know to do best, not relent, because God will surely reward you for all you do for humanity. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Speaking after the presentation, Honorable Temienor, Chief Ayekpegha and Oghara King led interviews as they reflected on the event and how Rotary Club is set out to carry out more works before urging more charitable individuals to join the body.
Fellow Rotarians, don't relent in your work for Rotary, because we have so many people to make happy. There are so many things to be done in 7 key areas where Rotary is supposed to excel. I'm waiting that people should come and provide resources so that families, humanity will move forward. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm very, very overwhelmed. This opportunity given to me is first of its kind. It's a thing of excitement. You saw people jubilating with me, happy with me. So it's a thing of joy. Sanitation, borehole. You can see my project there. I think I am going to do all of them. Thank God you saw the local government chairman is here, and I'll be able to talk to him to at least to be partner with Rotary Club of Oghara. Indeed, I am going to do very, very well in my time. Those people I gave award to, they are people who are supportive, and even those who did not announce their name, they have done something, and more are still coming. All of them are not here, and I believe they will support Rotary Club of Oghara in my time.
Rotary Club of Oghara District, being free to honor me with this honorable award due to my selfless humanitarian services being rendered to the good people of Ethiope West at large and to my community, and even extending it to outside Ethiope West. I think being given me this honorary award is for me to do more and for the people to expect more from me. Ayekpegha is a very nice man. I see him as my elder brother. I see him as a friend, and also as someone who has always been there for me. And it's one man who tells you this and he always go for it. And I believe in him, I believe in his vision, and I believe in his dream and his capacities. He has the capacity to do more and to take Rotary Club to the next level.
Receive an award here today, and because it has come to me unexpected, I feel so much fulfilled, very, very fulfilled, that whatever you do, the society sees, and whatever you do, people appreciate. It is a recognition of the fact that I have done so much in the development of our immediate community and contributed so much to the development of Delta State. My word for him is simple, is that he should achieve more. He should build on the structure that is already being handed over to him, and so that during his tenure, he can actually be a greater height. That is my word.
Congratulate him on emerging as the president of his club, the ninth president at that. Rotary, as we know, it's humanitarian service. I pray the good Lord will give him the strength to take this club to a greater height this 1 year of service.
High Chief John Bulatika, the Oghara of Oghara Kingdom. Today is a remember day that we all, the Lord of Oghara, as a chief, we want to thank him for his boldness, for his hospitality, capacity, the good heart to handle this matter of leadership on behalf of the good people of Oghara. It is my earnest prayer for him that God is to see him through all his endeavor, so that he can achieve his purpose to humankind, to God, and to humanity in Jesus' name.
I am Rero and in Oghara. You're watching Rero TV.